Dear customers, imagine being a successful online entrepreneur and generating massive profits with PLR products. Do you know that this upgraded HD training video is a business package that enables you to unlock the power of private label rights to create your own digital empire and be an authority figure in the rapidly expanding digital market? The upgraded version of Make Money with PLR Blueprint will teach you how to acquire knowledge about the impact of PLR on online business success, how to sell and monetize your PLR, maximizing PLR for content creation, building your digital presence with PLR, building and developing your brand with PLR, how to engage your audience with PLR, how is PLR beneficial for long-term success. You will be able to get the most out of your online marketing efforts with this accelerated, powerful product. That's why we have brought this incredible product for you. Presenting, upgraded version of Make Money with PLR Blueprint. Unleash the profits of PLR to passive income success with this upgraded version of Make Money with PLR Blueprint. Get 15 HD training videos packed with the most incredible information to legally acquire ready-made products and modify them to suit your brand and earn massive profits. This exceptional upgrade is a jam-packed product brimming with invaluable information. By embracing this opportunity, you can break free from a 9-to-5 job and become an entrepreneur and earn a steady income stream. The upgraded package offers valuable insights, equipping you with in-depth knowledge to successfully sell PLR products or enable your customers to embark on their own entrepreneurial journey. The beauty of PLR lies in its flexibility and convenience. It's like having a ready-made product that you can put your personal touch on. It is a fantastic tool for building an email list, offering lead magnets to attract potential customers. Now is the time to take action and secure your future in the world of online business. Don't miss this incredible opportunity and join the countless successful entrepreneurs. So, what are you waiting for? Just grab it now without giving it any second thoughts. Act now.